Welcome to my channel today. Alright, today I'm very happy to share a lesson with letter O. After everyone you watch my video from letter A to letter N already done. So right now the next video is with letter O. So everyone come with me, join with me and practice with me all together with letter O. Okay, let's go together. This is letter O. Let's say all together 3 times. O, O, O. The sounds of letter O is the sound Okay, so here are the 3 words that begin with letter O. Okay, number 1, ostrich, ostrich, ostrich. Number 2, October, October, October. Number 3, octopus, octopus, octopus. Okay, so right now come with me and repeat all together. Ostrich, ostrich, ostrich. October, October, October. Octopus, octopus, octopus. Okay, so after you have known the word about with letter O, so right now let's go to make the sentence with letter O together. Okay, so I like octopus. I like octopus. This is a cat sentence. Okay, this is an ostrich. This is an ostrich. This is an ostrich. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel to get the next video. Goodbye. See you next time.